Setting a family drama against the backdrop of a cutthroat corporate world, director Vamsi manages to weave a fairly engaging film on misunderstood sons and fathers, warring brothers, jealous rivals, worried mother, light-hearted romance, a petty songs and heavy-duty heroic moments. This is all powered by a sparkling star turn by Vijay that elevates ordinary moments into entertaining episodes. The story revolves around Rajendran, Sarath Kumar, who seems to have been directed to always look glum just because his character has terminal illness, a business tycoon who pits his own sons against each other to ensure that he has the right successor. While the first and second sons, Jay, Shrikant, and Ajay, Sham, have an eye on the chairman's chair and blindly act out their father's whims and fancies, the third son, Vijay, has a difference of opinion with his methods and chooses to stay away. And just when Rajendran learns that he is counting his days, he gets to see his sons for who they really are, and ends up making Vijay as his successor, which results in the other two going on a warpath and wars, joining with his bitter rival Jaya Prakash Raj. Can Vijay prove himself to be a Vadi Varisu and also reunite his no-broken family? Varisu does begin in a rather shaky manner, with scenes that seem somewhat alien to its milieu and rather cold. Even the mother's sentiment doesn't really seem forceful enough, and the scenes between Vijay and Jayasudha have the sanitized feel of a TV commercial. What keeps us interested in these moments are the parallels that we read into them based on the reported real-life tiff between the film star and his parents. That said, the setup makes us feel like we have dropped into a Telugu version of Chekka Chivantha Vanam, where, instead of the gangster backdrop, we get a story set against the corporate backdrop. There are moments that are rather flat, like the fallout scene between Vijay and Rajendran that appears early in the film. Even the intermission point isn't exactly a rousing one. But then, the film switches gear in the second half, and Vamsi scores in 6s and 4s with the mass moments that have both comedy and heroism in equal measure. He also punctures the sentimental moments with comedy and ensures that things don't get too melodramatic. At the same time, he also doesn't hold back when he wants to reach for his audience's tear ducts. This is a film that is quite self-aware. Family and relationships are what drive the plot, and the film is woke enough to acknowledge that relatives can be toxic and old-fashioned enough to understand that sometimes we got to make the best of what we have when it comes to family. There are slip-ups in the form of a rather slight romantic track. Rashmika plays the Aunt Candy here, and less than formidable villains. That even an actor of Prakash Raj's stature cannot turn the antagonist into a formidable threat to the protagonist shows how weak the characterization is. Perhaps, the director felt the conflict involving Vijay bringing his two brothers back into the fold was enough. The overall writing in the scenes is also quite broad, which lessens the emotional impact of the scenes, especially in the first half. The pacing through is uneven, and Vamsi even includes unnecessary songs and one too many fights that turn the film into an overlong affair. But he makes up for all of it through his leading star. Vijay is in terrific form, cracking one-liners that have us break out into a smile, exchanging comic counters with Yogi Babu, who is quite funny after a long time, making self-referential punches. A scene involving a boardroom meeting is a riot, and showing earnestness to make us buy the sentimental moments.